Chris from Makita here. Today I have our DSP601 Plunge Cut Saw. It's 165mm diameter with automatic torque drive to get through any stubborn cuts. It'll increase your torque. It's also fitted with a soft start, so not to splinter upon entry. But this particular model is equipped with our AWS system, which is our automatic wild start. It's a Bluetooth receiver that comes with the saw. Once it's paired wirelessly to a Bluetooth AWS vacuum extractor, like we have here in the DVC265, you'll find that once you start cutting, the vacuum will turn on automatically. Once you're finished, a few seconds later, the vacuum extractor will follow and turn off once the line's been cleared. So here we go. Smooth as butter, effortless cutting, and available now at Beyond Tools in Malaga. Here at Makita, if you're not first, you're last.